Making affiliate marketing do the work for you. Affiliate marketing can be an essential part of your website's future. You need to do all of your research so that you don't lose a ton of money or customers. You also need to have a reliable network of affiliates. There are some tips listed below to help you start. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. To make money doing affiliate marketing, you have to start with a quality product. No matter how much promotion you do, if people never buy the product, you will not make any money from it. A poor product on your page may also make people question the quality of your other products. Integrating affiliate marketing offers into a website's content will make affiliate agreements more productive. A simple banner ad is never as effective as an in-depth video that points out the strengths of an affiliate's product. Merging affiliate offers with website content draws the website's readers deeper into the sales pitch and will be more persuasive than separated advertisements. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding, but it can also be a lot of work. Regardless, if you know what to do and how to market smarter, you can really help promote your website. So, do yourself a favor and do your research and apply the above tips to your affiliate marketing strategy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.